We are never, ever, ever, ever getting back together with the union.
Croeso I Gaerdydd. Over the next 2 days, we'll see arguably one of the most important events in the city's calendar. Some may call it the Coachella of Welsh politics. It's the Plaid Cymru Spring Conference. Croeso.
Croeso.
How would you describe the Plaid Cymru Conference using a Taylor Swift lyric?
Oh, okay. This is too much pressure.
Is this in English or Welsh?
I can't speak Welsh.
English.
I'd say stay, 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 because we've got 2 days of events. So crucial that you stay here for all of it.
That's an interesting answer. Thank you very much. There we are. They liked it.
They liked it.
I go happiness.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That's nice.
Thanks.
It is happy.
Yeah.
So far.
I know what a struggle it is to be a family. And that makes me want us to be the most child-friendly nation we can be.
Hello, Adam.
Right.
Thank you for a brilliant speech. What was your main takeaway today from the speech that you've given to conference?
I think it was just amazing just to be here together. And the announcement of the free school meals as well, I think, has inspired a lot of people,
Yeah.
you know, because
Absolutely.
that's our biggest achievement, I think,
Yeah, 100%.
in the history of the party, really, in terms of its impact on young people and the future.
I've got to ask you, who would you want representing Wales in Eurovision, apart from me?
Apart from you.
Apart from me, obviously.
Yeah. Even David Iwan's still got it, hasn't he? I mean, like, you know, he's like the Gareth Bale of kind of Welsh folk music, isn't he? I mean, it's the gift that keeps on giving. If we could, like, maybe have, you know, like a dance track. Yeah, over, you know, do you think David's up for that?
I think he's up for anything, to be honest. Of all the elected members, who gives the biggest main character vibes?
I will always say Liz.
Queen Liz.
Bright hair, bright energy. I wish I was that energetic, is what I'd say.
I'm going to say Delith.
Delith?
Jewel.
Queen Delith.
Yeah.
Our style icon. Why Delith?
She's got a very main character personality. You know, very colourful,
Yeah,
lightens up the room,
yeah,
stylish.
of course.
Yes, Queen.
So we're on the lookout for some Senedd members because they're hiding somewhere, and I think they might be down here where all the nice biscuits and like the teas and coffees are. Let's try and find them. What do you think of like a Euro dance version of Amo Hyd? That was put forward by our leader, Adam Price.
Yeah, right.
I want you to name as many Plaid Cymru politicians as you can, past or present, in 10 seconds, starting now.
Gwynfor Evans, Leanne Wood.
Gwynfor Evans, David Wigley, David Ellis Thomas.
Hywel Williams. Oh, why can't I do this?
Charlotte Williams, Leanne Wood.
Sioned Williams, V.
The worst was Adam with 6.
Yay, I beat Adam Price.
Adam Price had 6.
Well, you said beating Adam then. That's amazing.
You didn't say yourself.
No.
You couldn't name yourself.
Oh yeah, I'm a politician there.
Yeah, you are. So I want you to sum up the Plaid Cymru Spring Conference using a Taylor Swift song.
Oh my goodness. We are never, ever, ever, ever getting back together with the union.
That's the best one we've had yet. So the sun is setting on the Plaid Cymru Spring Conference, and it's been an interesting few days to say the least. Turns out Plaid Cymru are big fans of Taylor Swift. David Iwan will always be a big icon, and we are going to win Eurovision. So I'm off into town to celebrate. Ta-da.